What's up, guys? We're back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti, and in honor of the Halloween season, I am here at Cinnaholic to get a vegan pumpkin roll. We've had pumpkin bread, pumpkin spice lattes. Let's try a pumpkin roll. All right, guys, we've got our Cinnaholic pumpkin roll right here. Oh, whoa, let's get a look at that. We got pumpkin icing, bits of pumpkin bread, powdered cinnamon, cinnadoodle roll. This is like the fall season in a box. I don't even know where to attack this thing from, man. This thing is nuts. See how it tastes. This right here. This vegan pumpkin roll is fire. I got the perfect word to describe this pumpkin roll. That is decadent. This thing is rich. So if you're a vegan and you want to spoil yourself with a sweet treat, indulge yourself with a pumpkin roll. Normally I'm not a pumpkin bread guy, but these are delicious, these little bits of pumpkin bread. I like the texture. Pumpkin bread is nice and spongy. A little crispy on the outside. You got this fluffy cinnamon roll. It's the pumpkin icing for me. On a cool, brisk October night, one of these pumpkin rolls would be perfect. If you love pumpkin and you love cinnamon, get yourself a pumpkin roll from Cinnaholic. I might become a Cinnaholic after trying this pumpkin roll. If you want to be really critical, you could say it's a little overindulgent, right? You could say there's way too much sugar and sweetness going on here. I'd be impressed if you could take this whole thing down in one sitting. If you're looking for a fall, autumn, Halloween dessert, get yourself a pumpkin roll, man. My God. Good luck taking one of these down. You'll need a glass of water with one of these, I'll tell you right now. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Get yourself a pumpkin roll this Halloween season. It is delicious. I'm telling you right now. We'll see you guys next time.